Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can create filters and labels in your Gmail account, and you can use Gmail filters like a pro. Why we need to create a filter? It's very important. Let's say you're working with an organization and you will receive multiple emails on daily basis. Your boss is sending your emails, your colleagues are sending your email, or a particular group of people sending your email, and you want to organize those emails and do not want to look into the inbox every time. So this is the way you can do that. You can just apply this filter to your Gmail account as well. It will work like a charm. So let's get started how you can do that. For this, I will give you a demonstration from one of my Gmail account, and if you can see on my screen, we have a few Google account emails, like it says security alert. So I'm just going to give a quick demo for one filter, and you will get to know that how you can apply to your account. The best thing that you need to go to the left navigation pane. You can see there's a labels option and there is a create new label option over here, or either you can go from here, expand the more option, and again you can see create new label option here. So choice is yours. Click any one of those and click here. The first thing that will create a folder here, a label with the name of your desired one. So let's say that I'm creating it for Google as of now. I will just type Google, and I will not gonna nest under any label. So just create. Once you create it, you can see here the label is brought here under labels. The next step is that, let's say that I want to just use one of the email Google, and I'm noticing that there's an email I got frequent emails from Google in my case, but you can select any one of your email. What I will do here, I will copy that email once, select copy, then I'll go here in the top right. You can see there is a filter option here just beside your search. Click on that and it will bring up a filter option on your computer screen. Now here, from this is an email address they're asking for, and I can apply the copied email that I got, selecting it, and it's there now. You can add multiple emails if you wanted to, and there's another option that you can include subject if you wanted to. If you know that particular subject which comes to every second email and you want to create a filter of it, just click on that subject and just enter that subject line if you wanted to. But in my case, I'm okay with that email. I know that I got frequent emails from this email address and I want to create a label, so I don't need to go to the inbox. It will always go to that label or a folder which I created. I will click on that create filter button over here. Once you do that, now this is most important, make sure that the selection you will make is very important. So the first thing that I will do here, I will skip the inbox. Next email will not go to the inbox, it will directly go to the folder that I created. Second option, label, apply the label. Now in which folder? The one I created, Google. So now I applied the label, and the next email it will look for that label. Skip the inbox and move that email to that designated folder. The last option I can see, also apply the filter to 7 matching conversations. So in my previous emails, if you look at here, when we hit on filter button, it looked for those emails are similar and it gave me the option search results in the behind. But I will also apply the filters to matching 7 conversations which I already had in Gmail on my Gmail account. So I just selected those so it can be moved to that folder. So these are the only 3 important settings we need to look for. Make sure that you will make a selection, though you can select according to your needs from the other checkboxes as well. And at last, just click on create filter. It will do a quick process. Within seconds your emails will start moving. And if I go here down below label, you can see there are 3. It's started moving your emails, and here 3 unread emails and there are 4 read mail. So there are total 7 emails that we shown in the previous screen. So all of them are moved now here in this box. Another thing, that now next time when Google that particular email address will send any email to me, it will not go to my inbox, it will directly come down here in this folder. So yeah, this is how you can create multiple filters. You can organize your labels according to need. You can see the three ellipses here, click on it. You can add label, edit label, and there are multiple options. You can assign a color on it, like here. So there are multiple things that you can do with the labels, and your emails are organized. So yeah, I think this is all I wanted to show you. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day. PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.